Hi guys, Steve from SD Pest Control. The video you see coming up is a bit of squirrel shooting, a little bit of rat shooting shot in a local green store. Hope you like the video, sit back and enjoy, and I'll see you at the end. Before we get into the rat action, I just thought I'd introduce these couple of squirrel clips. I shot roughly about 34 squirrels in this wood in the last 3 days, so these ones I didn't include in the last video, so enjoy these couple of clips, guys. And this is exactly why the farmer wants these squirrels gone, to encourage species like this back. And you got blue tits here, songbirds, you name it, they're starting to come back, but you gotta get rid of those pesky squirrels first. These clips you see coming up now of these rats were all shot with the ATN 4K Pro 5x20. They were shot at a local grain store. A farmer contacted me to say that these rats were starting to come into the place in big numbers. So me and my friend went to shoot some. This rat bear, you can see I shot him, but I had to put a following shot in because I wasn't convinced he was totally dead. I watched this rat for a bit. You can see I took a heart and lung shot. Good clean shot. He turned, he wasn't turning a minute, and then when he turned I wasn't convinced this one was dead either, so I also put another follow-up shot into this one. There it is. In this clip here you'll see this rat there makes a quick exit, and in a minute you'll see why. I did forget to press record. This is a rat I shot previous to that rat. Obviously he is dead, he just fallen out the wall. But you'll see the cat come past into the picture, into shot now, and obviously he's not doing his job very well. I don't know what this rat was doing. He was gasping for breath. So I did spot him on the ATM and night vision, so I just put him out of his misery, and you can see the helicopter tail over there then, so I know he's dead. There was a lot of these rats in this whole conveyor belt. This is like a corn conveyor belt which sorts all the corn out. If it proved to be a very nice spot throughout the night. There's quite a few rats in this place that was living in the walls, so they were quite easy pickings, to be honest with you. You see this rat just peeping around the corner. That's the beauty of night vision. He thinks I can't see him, but I can plainly see him plain as day. Headshot coming up. There's a shot. You'll see the little flip, the little twitches of nerves and helicopter tail in a minute. There it is. Textbook. Yet again, within the corn conveyor belt again. You know, this conveyor belt proved very fruitful for both of us. I lost count how many rats we did shoot this night. It's not very often you see rats on roofs. This particular place, they would back and forth get us all night, and it's very unusual to see like occupying roof spaces. You also see me range finding bear just in case he come back out to see if I can take a shot on him. I moved to another part of the farm there. This was basically about 20 or 30 hay bales here, and I took about 3 or 4 from this place bear. This was a good headshot. You'll see a good headshot and a good bleed out in a second. There's the headshot. There's a bleed out. Perfect. This rat is a good sniff around. That's the last sniff he'll take. This particular rat is playing peep-ball on me. Looking over the railings he was. But 177 HW110 does the job every single time. In this shot there you'll see me rangefinding with the ABL ATN rangefinder. That's my mate with his IR. Also scan around. Another perfect headshot there. And the obligatory tail flip, what we call it, the helicopter tail. That's what rats do. It's the most common thing when you shoot a rat. They flick the tail up and just start spinning like a helicopter. Here it goes. This is what they do. Just a little kick your back legs and jump around a bit. But I assure you, they're stone cold dead. For those who haven't seen the rat shooting before, this is what they also do. They do a bit of jumping and bouncing around and kick out at the end. Just the nerves. It's not the animal's alive, just the nerves, and it soon stops and the rat expires. In this video you can see the clarity of the ATN 4K Pro. You see his whiskers plain as day from 9 yards away. Perfect headshot, perfect textbook dispatch. Thanks for watching guys. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Please like and subscribe and share if you don't mind. And I'll catch you on the next video. Cheers.